Good morning and welcome back to the channel, you guys. We are coming to you live in St. Martin. This morning we are getting ready to board another boat to head to Anguilla. For this excursion we are using Billy Bones boat charters. They also do snorkeling, they also do trips, also private charters to St. Martin, also around the island, and to St. Bart's as well. So if you are looking for a way to travel to other locations around St. Martin, Billy Bone Charters could be your source of that commute. So stay tuned so I can show you guys what this excursion is all about. We'll say this charter did cost about $160 per person. It does require you to have a passport, as you will be departing from the boat on this trip, and you'll spend about a day on the island of Anguilla. So let's stay tuned and see what we have to do to get on this boat. To make sure your passport is not expired or messed up or water damage, anything like that, because it could prevent or delay processing for you to board your boat. So for our boat ride, we will be boarding Rum Rush today. All right guys, so we just got through with the check-in process. So it looks like we paid a $55 deposit up front, but then when we actually got here to the place to complete our check-in, we had to pay the remaining $266. That actually included the $25 immigration fee, which we did use our card to purchase. For that fee, there was an additional 5% charge for using your credit card, so keep that in mind. So that's another reminder why I tell you guys, make sure you carry cash, just because sometimes when you're using your credit cards, there's additional fees and service charges that are being added on top of that when you're using your card. So just keep that in mind when you're booking your trip to Anguilla. Once again, you do have to go through immigration. At the check-in desk, they did take our passports, and we will get them, I think they said, when we either get to the island or when we come back, but I'll get further clarification on that piece. But right now they are holding them at the check-in desk while we board the boat, and I think they're going to do verification on the boat and probably give us the passports back. So just make sure you stay tuned so I can give you all those details right here, right now. Stay locked, you guys. Also, once you are on the boat, you do have to take your shoes off, as they do not allow you to walk with shoes on the boat. They are holding your shoes up there in that basket, or you can just take them off and stick them in your personal basket. That's totally up to you. We just stuck ours in our bag, so when we get off the boat, they're right there in our hands. But if you don't have a bag or something to hold them in, you can put them in the crate that they have sitting up front. So right now we're just waiting for the rest of our people that are joining us on this excursion to get their check-in and to get on the boat, and then we'll be on our way. Stay tuned. For this boat tour, it is recommended that you bring a beach bag, some water, sunscreen, a beach towel. It is a day trip where we will be on Anguilla for a majority of the day. Once again, we are boarding right now. It's 9 o'clock, so we'll see what time we will return. Once our remaining people board, I think we'll be ready for takeoff.
We are here in Anguilla. I'm getting excited, man. We are here at Knee Beach, and we're about to dive into some food that we have on our excursion. French bread. This chicken salad. Pass me the turkey. I want to taste the turkey. It's lettuce, cheese, and turkey and tomato. I get excited when eating Brittany food. But enough for me. Look at the water. The water looks beautiful. It's super clear. I could literally jump in it right now. So food for finance. This excursion is highly recommended. Oh my goodness, like it is beautiful, beautiful destinations. We have been to at least 3 awesome destinations already. So food for finance, stay tuned, a lot more coming. So on this particular excursion, you don't get your book stamp unless you go over on the ferry. So just keep that in mind if you're thinking you're gonna get your book stamp and all that good stuff. But the good thing is you get to visit Anguilla, most definitely. So food for finance. If you come on this excursion, I would choose the chicken salad over the turkey. I like the chicken salad way better. But before that, I would choose to drink as many Caribs as possible or drink some rum punch. With that being said, stay tuned. So look how beautiful the water is. This is breathtaking. This is amazing. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. Get down to Anguilla ASAP. Now. Food from Finance, do me a huge favor to keep this channel going, to keep this channel growing. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know anything that's on your mind so we can keep this community growing. Let's go.